You are not my father. Can you act? To become a good actor, always be an observant. Guy, I'll beat you. Other projects you dey shout. Who you dey shout for? Don't ad-lib and improvise together because you will have over-gesticulation. Who are you?
Day 2 of our workshop. Yesterday was the one, and I believe a lot of things were taught yesterday and a lot of things were learned also. So are we ready for today's class?
One of the major problems in the industry at large, we want to be like this person. The way I'm ad-libbing will never be the way you are doing. You will not see anybody directing a celebrity and start telling the celebrity. When you get to this place, let's see your emotions. And then you turn gradually. Look at this person. Give it like 2 seconds before you make that statement. It is over. Are you getting it? Because you already know that this person already understands about ad-libbing. The line in the script is, Mom, why do you happy? God of our land. Why all this? Why? Mom, why do you happy? God of our land, why all this? All those ones are what? Improvisation. It's your foresight that will tell you this is not enough. When you don't have your foresight, how will you act? They give you a script. First thing you need to do is to read, understand the stage very well. There are many stages of production we have. And when you are acting it, let's see realistic acting, let's see technical acting also. Inside it, you explain to us with your acting. Give me back all my services! Give me back all my services that I gave to you!
Come and see, please. Everybody's taking from one office to the other. There's no job.
I don't understand this thing. I don't understand now.
Wait. I know really big joke. Man, stop on.
I went to the pharmacy, then I eat test. The doctor said I'm pregnant.
If the director asks a female actor now, what sacrifice have you made in the industry? What do you feel that the director is asking? What it means is, what time have you spent in the industry? On behalf of Don Sanity Entertainment, I present this to you, the certificate of honor.
Ayabi Augustina.